product alert, new product alert. Now this is our new 24-hour matte color in Cabernet. This is it right here, y'all. Nice little wine color. And like I said, 24 hours, smudge proof. This is the kiss test. It does not go anywhere. So this is definitely something that you want to have in your bag. But also, new product alert, new product alert. Let me tell you something. One thing I notice a lot of people, they love the mattes because they like the way the finish is. And they like the fact that it's smudge proof. You can eat, drink, nothing will get smeared anywhere. But you miss the shine of the gloss. If you're like a glossy gloss girl like I am, you kind of miss the shine of the gloss. Now, the drawback of the gloss when you put it on a matte is that's what breaks it down. That's what keeps it from being 24 hours to 5 hours, because the oil will break down the ingredients and the actual product that's causing it to be matte. But guess what? I have just found the magic trick, ladies and gentlemen. The magic trick is our matte reverse. Listen, I wasn't a believer until I tried it, because I'm like, how is it gonna not break down the gloss? Let me tell you something. Not only does it not break down the integrity of the matte gloss, it gives you the shine that you want, and it's still smudge proof. Let me show you something. Because as you can see, it's mattified, kiss proof, ain't going nowhere. Okay, now I'm gonna add this gloss to it. Matte reverse, and see if it keeps that same energy. Ooh, and you see how it keeps the shine? It gives you the nice little top layer coat. And now we are glossified, right? And you're like, go ahead and give it some time. It's gonna smudge off. It's gonna break down. It's not gonna keep that same shine. Well, let me tell you what really made me a believer on this. Look at the applicator. Look at the applicator. Now y'all all saw me put it on, right? Not a drop of color is on this applicator. What does that mean? Non-transferable. It will not come off. And as I'm talking, still shining, still giving what it's supposed to give, and not budging, right? And again, I say, look at the applicator. You saw me apply it. You saw me apply it. Not a drop of burgundy, brown, anything on there, right? That's what made me a believer. Now, can I still kiss, drink, and eat without the smudge? Absolutely. Now, because it does have an oil in it, like, well, I take it back. I don't know if it has an oil in it. I know it don't have a smudge-proof oil in it. But because it does have that gloss finish on it, when I kiss my hand, you're going to see gloss residue. But you won't see color transfer. Watch this. What I tell you? What I tell you? Bruh, if you don't come get some of this, you don't know what you're missing. You hear me? And look at that. Even with that little kiss I did, I still got a little razzle dazzle on my lips. Listen, y'all. This matte reverse ain't nothing to play with. You hear me? If you have that your favorite matte gloss, but if you're a glossy girl and you like to have that shine just cause, and you don't want your lipstick to budge and you don't want it to move, baby, go on and get some of this matte reverse. It's on the website right now, KissableLipsCosmetics.com. And you better get it now because, baby, listen, the fall is coming and this is what you need. You need it now before it sells out. If you don't go ahead and activate that cart, don't get mad when you calling me and DMing me and saying, hey, Shell, what's going on? What's going on with the matte reverse? Sold out. Because you snooze, you lose. Baby, you better get this thing today. I ain't playing with you. If I ain't gonna do nothing else with you, I'm gonna be real with you. You better get this matte reverse. And also, while you're over there, go ahead and check out our new Cabernet. So if you're one of them young ladies that like the nice, fall colors, This is right down your alley. And you know what I like to do with these colors, these deeper colors? You can also ombre these with another matte. Listen, if you ready to go ahead and get your shop on, get it done now before the holidays. Because in the holidays, listen, I know it's not going to be able to be in stock because it's going to be sold out like... Do what I say. If I don't steer you nowhere else, I'm going to steer you right. So don't go wrong by not clicking and buying today. You better go and get you some matte reverse and this Cabernet today. Put it in your cart. KissableLipsCosmetics.com. You can't be kissed without Kissable Lips. And guess what? It ain't gonna smear on nothing, y'all. Get it today.